Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Portable Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces and offer unique features that cater to different needs. In this video, we'll dive into their design, capacity, and functionality to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Superdeal features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, making it efficient for users who want to save time. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a compact and foldable design, which is perfect for those with limited storage space. While the twin tub design of the Superdeal provides more versatility, the foldable design of the portable washing machine emphasizes convenience and portability. When it comes to capacity, the Superdeal offers an 8 pounds washing capacity and a 5 pounds spinning capacity, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a 10-liter capacity, which is ideal for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. While the Superdeal can handle more laundry at once, the portable washing machine is designed for specific, lighter loads. The Superdeal comes with a powerful spin cycle that enhances its washing capabilities, allowing for better water extraction from clothes. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers 3 different washing modes, catering to various fabric types and cleaning needs. This feature makes the portable washing machine versatile for different laundry tasks, while the Superdeal focuses on efficiency with its spin cycle. In conclusion, both the Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. If you prioritize capacity and efficiency, the Superdeal is an excellent choice. However, if portability and ease of storage are more important to you, the portable washing machine is the way to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.